Welcome to this third video on DiG Informatics. I am now going to concentrate on the information section in the lower left panel of the DiG screen. Note that we are now on the 31st of December 2024 with team DFM001. This team has already completed years 2021 to 2024 and has to make decisions for the final year 2025. The information panel provides you with various options and formats to review your team performance and prepare your decisions. The top item in this section is growth drivers, and it contains the key indicators of growth: unit contribution, number of customers, and earnings. The graphs at the bottom show the value of these three drivers for each of the years since 2020. The graphs at the top show the annual growth and cumulative growth of these three drivers also for each year. Growth components correspond to the various elements that have an influence on the growth drivers. The discovery chart in the bottom left deals with the conception activities leading to new designs. The 5 lines show the cumulative number of discovery initiatives, of insights generated by these initiatives, of tests done with these insights, and of new designs brought to the Magic Pen, features, and new designs of boosters or promotions. Note that the exact values can be seen by placing the pointer on one of the dots just like this. You can see that by 2024, a total of 81 discovery initiatives have been performed by Team DFM001, bringing 62 insights, out of which 25 were tested, leading to 13 new designs for the Magic Pen and 5 new designs for boosters. This next chart illustrates the evolution of customer value sharing over the years in terms of average willingness to pay, price, and unit cost. Note, for instance, that in 2024, price is equal to 35 and unit cost 28.6, which gives a unit contribution of 35 minus 28.6, which equals $6.4. The box on resources shows how the 1,000 units budget was over time allocated by Team DFM001 on the 6 activities. Note that this box is a little crowded with 6 graphs. You can hide some of the graphs by clicking on the corresponding legend. For instance, by clicking on Design and Icon, only the other 4 graphs remain for an easier reading. By clicking again on these legends, the graphs reappear. This facility is available for every graph. The top left graph displays the cover achieved for the Magic Pen. For example, the percentage of the population who can conveniently find it without special efforts. The next box shows the percentage of the population who is not using a Magic Pen, split between unaware and aware. The top right box shows the percentage of the population who uses a Magic Pen, split between 4 categories according to their attitudes towards the product. Note that in 2024, 50% of the population use the Magic Pen, and 21% are satisfied. The section on past dashboards provides you with dashboards for each of the completed years of the simulation, starting from year 2020 all the way up to the current year, 2024. The Insights pipeline provides you with a funnel overview of your conception activities, starting with discovery initiatives in the first part, followed by tested insights in the second part. You're obviously not going to test all of your insights, but only those that are most attractive and in line with your market strategy. And finally, the third part, which depicts the design activity, which includes only the tested insights that you decide to design, either offers or boosters. Note that if you click on one line, the description of the corresponding insight will appear at the bottom of the window. Note also that you can reorder this insight pipeline table by clicking on the heading of any column. For instance, if you want to see which designs have been implemented from the most recent to the most ancient, go to the design heading in the rightmost column and click on the down arrow. You can see that 5 designs were implemented in 2024, 3 offers, and 2 boosters. The section on impact review is a summary of a consulting study indicating the estimated sources of value creation in a given year. For 2024, it shows that 110 million increase in earnings came mainly from an increase in margin of 99 million, from a stronger execution of 53 million, and from engaged customers of 65 million. On the other hand, the offer has become less attractive, resulting in a value destruction of 106 million. And the designed boosters had a negligible impact on earnings growth. The message section contains all the annual messages provided by the chairman, Jim Shovel. About DiG gives a short introduction to the DiG simulation and its author, Professor J.C. Ladeshe of INSEAD, and list of key acknowledgments. The section on your learnings enables you to indicate your key learning points separately for strategy and for leadership. For instance, a key learning point for strategy may be maximize customer engagement through discovery. A key learning point for leadership may be something like define roles for team, create and execute. Your insights enables you to enter your own ideas for improving the success of the Magic Pen. So, your insight for an offer might include something like ship to download. Your insight for a booster might include something like Twitter messaging of updates. Note that your insights have no impact on the outcome of the simulation, but may demonstrate your understanding of insights and may be used by the instructor in evaluating your learning performance. This video described DiG Informatics. The fourth and last video in this series will show you how to take actions, how to run the simulation, and how to move into the next year. Thank you very much for your attention.